Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm taking a look at the Melgeek Made68 keyboard, and this keyboard it has a really nice look to it. As you can see, the RGB and this little glass panel here, and has a really nice look to it, and is overall a really good keyboard. I've been using it for a while, and it's great for a variety of different games. And it is about $220 on Amazon, so a little more on the pricey end, honestly. Has a really good feel to it. Really good sound and feel to it. Has 0.01 actuation with rapid trigger, so you don't have to worry about that. And overall, just a really great keyboard. Only problem is it is a little bit pricey, but besides that, great keyboard. So go check it out, guys.